Looking for Interior Painters Ottawa and want it done right the first time? This Paint Experts Ottawa review covers what the crew paints, how the work is prepared, and what to check before hiring. Paint Experts Ottawa protects floors and furniture, patches surface damage, sands rough areas, masks edges, and applies even coats. The crew paints walls, ceilings, trim, and doors using low-VOC coatings and dust-controlled methods. They also offer lime painting for clients looking for a distinctive, textured, and natural-looking finish. An in-house foreman leads each project, and the crew cleans the work area daily. Proper preparation plays a major role in achieving a smooth, professional finish. Skipping steps such as patching, sanding, masking, and surface cleaning can result in visible imperfections, uneven coverage, messy edges, and poor paint adhesion. Careful preparation helps the paint apply evenly and ensures the finished space looks clean and polished. The company also provides exterior painting, cabinet painting and refinishing, condo painting, popcorn ceiling removal, deck staining, fence finishing, office painting, and commercial painting. After-hours crews are available for offices, retail spaces, and restaurants. You get clear communication, tidy work areas, and an even finish. If you need Interior Painters Ottawa, visit paintexperts.ca and get your free quote today. Want your business highlighted? Send us a message.